Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to share with you a very easy way to improve the sound quality of almost any pair of headphones or earphones. But first, a word from today's sponsor. Just kidding. I don't have a channel sponsor. Right then. So a pair of headphones are made to have a very certain sound profile, some with more bass, better clarity in highs or mids, and so on. Some phones have even an audio EQ that lets you bump up the bass or lower the mids, etc. Whereas some phones even have special EQs for their own branded headphones, which makes sense because it's their own product. Well, today I wanted to share with you an app that I've been using for about a month now. Fortunately enough, I came across this app a little after I released my Pixel Buds 2 review, which you can check out here. First, the app is free. Additional features can be unlocked for an additional $5.50. It's called Wavelet. Unfortunately, it's only available on Android, but I'll leave the link down in the description. Wavelet has an improved EQ for over 2,500 pairs of various headphones and earphones that are best optimized to match that of a Harman curve. This curve, in simple terms, is just the vast majority of what listeners prefer in frequent response at different levels. You can also, of course, create your own EQs if you want. This app just makes the whole process even easier. After installing and launching the app, you will be greeted with shrug, but go to the three dots in the top right and tap on Legacy Mode. Then tap on Auto EQ. And here you can search for a myriad of headphones. In my case, we're going to search for the Pixel Buds 2. Tap on the model of your headphones that you want, and they'll be presented with a graph of the EQ that will be used. Then tap outside of this graph, and then toggle on the Auto EQ mode. Immediately, you'll be able to hear a much different sound than when the option was off. But I must say, for the Pixel Buds 2, having this feature turned on makes them sound even better. This also improved the audio quality on the USB-C Pixel earbuds as well. It actually was surprising just how much better the bass response was, how much improved bass there was, the higher frequencies sounded even. Support the developer if you want and check out the additional features that are offered in the app, such as bass booster if you want additional bass, or if you want a virtualizer that will allow you to have a concert or other various spatial effects. You will have a notification in your status bar when the app is running, but you can always hide this by long pressing and hiding the notification if you wish. If you thought this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. If you do have any questions or comments, of course, leave them down below, and I'll do my best to answer each one of them. Until next time, take care.